What's up? It's 7-Up. Shirley Temple. Animal crackers in my soup. Monkeys and rabbits, loop-de-loop. You don't know Shirley Temple?
I know the drink.
You know who? It was named after a little girl, a 1930s child actress named Shirley Temple. Don't quote me on those dates. So yeah.
He's trying his best. He's not. He was a teenager when he was around Shirley Temple.
What? I am not a vampire.
You sure look like one.
Yeah.
Vampires were stealing his bank account.
No, they weren't.
They were. Oh, they were.
No, they weren't. The vampires were not draining my bank account psychically. At all. I had mental health issues. And if you feel like you have mental health issues, then please get help if you think vampires are draining your bank account or werewolves.
And you're going to Salem on a bus.
Yes.
True story, by the way.
Yep. That's a story for another episode, though.
Video.
Actually, that's a quote from Elton Brown. From Good Eats. Because he always said that. He said that in, like, every episode. But that's an episode for another... Or that's a story for another episode, or...
That's an episode for another story.
Yep, that's an episode for another story.
I don't like it. It tastes like cough medicine. Why does it taste like cough medicine?
Because they pre-mixed the Shirley Temple. They put too much, cherry syrup and there's pomegranate in here, which is supposed to be like grenadine. And they got it wrong. Well, whoever this person decided was, then they rushed to the market.
I don't like it.
Well, the thing with it being a bartender versus pre-bottled and pre-mixed is you can control how much grenadine, how much cherry, how much 7-Up, how much Sprite, ginger ale. You know what I mean? How much you can control. But in a pre-mix, it is at the discretion of the distributor.
Tastes too much like cough syrup.
Yeah. Especially at the end. It tastes like 7-Up, and then it, like... Oh god, it's... Yeah.
We should have waited to get up.
Well, this one gets, a 0. Damn! I was gonna give it a 1 out of 5.
We should give this to the box.
We cannot give a 2-liter to the box. I have opened 2-liter. Here you go. Already drank some. Don't mind. There may or may not be backwashing.
We should have waited till they restocked.
No, a 2-liter is perfect. Would you rather have a 2-liter that you can just drink, or would you rather have 12 individual cans?
And then we can give it to the box.
I don't want to get. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. All right, just next time on Two Apple Pies for $1 product review. And remember, we'll see you
at the window.